Dear Aquarius people, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Hope you all are staying safe and keeping well in this difficult time. This short video presents a spiritual message for you for the month of July. I use the power of love activation cards to guide me with this message. The message focuses on some of the attitudes you need to have within you to power your love and give expression to it in every aspect of your life as you enter into and live through the month of July. Since it is a general message, it may not resonate with all of you. Please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. I have pulled out 4 cards after shuffling the cards well and praying to the divine to give you the message you really need as you enter into the month of July. The theme of the first card is past. The description on the card reads, through the power of love, you release any stagnant situations or energy in order to transform your heart space. The past is what you have lived, and it will not be added to your lifespan. You encounter your past as memory. Your past is a great teacher. You learn lessons both from your successes and failures for the present and the future. However, your past can stagnate your present growth and future possibilities if you get stuck in your past situations, whether they are positive or negative. Spending your time nourishing a past hurt, nostalgically getting caught up in a past success, or feeling guilty or ashamed of a past failure without learning any lessons from these experiences would stagnate your growth in the present, as you are in reality living in the past fruitlessly. It's a time for you to step back and see if past situations hold you back and stagnate your present energies, and let go the hold of those past situations on you in order to transform your heart space and to open it totally for your present and the future. The theme of the second card is joy. The description on the card reads, you delight in the love of life and bring a spirit of fun to all that you do. Freeing yourself from the stagnant energies of the past, which were holding you back, opens your heart space for living a life of happiness, grace, and gratitude. Living such a life, you realize the abundance the divine has showered on you and how you can be of service to others. The attitude of joy is the net result of this fulfilling life. Living a life that vibrates joy, you experience contentment, serenity, and spiritual confidence. You realize that the hardest lessons of the past are meant to serve your highest good and are meant to make you strong to face greater challenges so that you can turn them into experiences that permeate joy and make you cheerful. The theme of the third card is satisfaction. The description on the card reads, you let the energy of love guide you to self approval so that others no longer define who you are. A life lived joyfully instills in you the attitude of satisfaction. The spirit of satisfaction frees you from your ego, its critical judgments, and the insecurities it can let you feel, and opens you to the soul, leading you through the path of self-discovery. You realize the richness that is within you and come to know that the reason for your seeking others' approval for knowing your worth is the limitation and self-criticism you placed on yourself, thereby denying yourself the right to validate yourself and giving away that power to others, seeking outside approval. This knowledge leads you to self-validation and self-approval. And stop comparing yourself with others or entering into a path of competition with others, realizing that you need to be just yourself and none other. The theme of the fourth card is purpose. The description on the card reads, you possess the determination and dedication to consciously demonstrate love. Life of joy and satisfaction turns you into a person with a purpose who is determined and dedicated to manifest love in all you do. Purpose coupled with compassion for others makes you a teacher. You are blessed with inner peace because you are satisfied with who you are and what you have. Now is the time to bring the change you want to see in the world. Use the strong intuitive dimension of your personality to acquire clarity of purpose, and use the passionate aspect of your personality to manifest your love and make this world a better place for those around you. Be a teacher, be a guiding light. Dear Aquarius friends, the universe calls you to be a teacher and a guiding light in your circle of life. You know well that you do not have to choose between love and fear, as choice of any negative energy is not an option for you. So do not be afraid to let go the stagnant energies of the past that makes you live in the past. Dare to open your heart space for others and to live the spirit of joy. Be satisfied with what you are and what you have, knowing well that how much worth the divine has placed in you, and be a teacher and a guiding light on behalf of the divine in your world. May the divine bless you abundantly in your work of making this world a better place for all. This is my wish and prayer for you for the month of July. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification button. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.